Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
How's it going, YouTube? Today we're at the shop currently working on the Dodge Ram. As you guys saw in the first clip, I went ahead and got the driver's side headlight on. Still have to work on the passenger side. I did have to loosen up the brush guard a little bit. I got lucky, I just loosened up the top two bolts and just kind of gave it enough room just to be able to slide the headlight in and out. So we're about to start tearing apart the passenger side. If you guys are curious, there's only two 10mm bolts on the side. There's one that's down underneath the corner light, which has kind of been a pain for me to get to. And then there's a couple little screws that's holding on this rubber grommet. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock this side out. I think I might just go ahead and take the brush guard completely off and just go ahead and trim paint the front bumper with these plastic pieces. But I haven't decided just yet. I might try to get to that today, but I'm not sure. I gotta see how much longer the headlight's gonna take. Definitely wanna go ahead and tint the windshield on the truck today and also put a strip across the top. I did tint the side windows and the back window. I'm probably gonna go darker on the back. I have 15 on it right now, but I think I'm gonna end up going down to 5% just to be able to match these side windows a little bit better. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. We'll go ahead and set you guys on a time lapse, knock out this passenger side headlight, and then we'll get started on the windshield.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice, cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charged for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid.
Look, since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for, and ain't nothing I got safe though. Cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece, but it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo. But still a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charged for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna.
All right, just checking back in. We got the 55% in the windshield strip done. Still gotta hook up the mirror, but I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit longer. So got that done, so we gotta check that off the list. Right now, Richie's helping me out with the bumper. We're probably gonna take the heat gun to it, kind of speed up the process. We're trying to get out of here. It's a Friday afternoon, so we're trying to hurry up and finish it, but it's looking a lot better. Still got to put the passenger side headlight in, and then the headers are still looking pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to take the heat gun to it, speed it up. So yeah, we're gonna try to take the heat gun to it, speed up the paint on the bumper, and we will catch back up with you guys.
Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
All right, finally got everything checked off the list. We got the trim paint on the bumper. I took Richie's word on it. I usually tape it off. I actually had another YouTube video on this. I tape off the bumper and actually take spray trim paint to it. But Richie was swearing by the stuff you put on my applicator pad, and it does not look the best. But I will give him the benefit of the doubt, and it does look a whole lot better than what it did. Now I'm talking about Richie. But it does look a whole lot better than what it did. So I'll give him that. Got the headlights in. If you're wondering, I did not want to paint the brush guard while we had it off. I kind of like the patina look of the kind of the paint being beat up and the brush guard being beat up. I just wanted the bumper to look a little bit better just because of those new headlights are put in. So that looks good. Got the tinted windshield done and 55%. I did not get to the back window today. I'll try to do that in another video. But I got the 55% on the windshield and a windshield strip. So the truck has had its facelift. I hope you guys like it. I definitely bring you guys more videos on this truck in the near future. We still have to hook up the light bar. I do have the wiring harness for the light bar, just haven't had a chance to hook it up. I'll probably do that in the same video that we hook up the speakers for the truck. But until next time, guys, as always, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.